In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudways hosting and boost your page speed all within just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and see how you can efficiently manage your hosting and take your website's performance to the next level. First, you'll want to kick things off by heading over to the Cloudways website. If you aren't familiar, Cloudways is known for its managed cloud hosting solutions aimed at simplifying the hosting process while enhancing your site's speed and performance. Once you are at the Cloudways homepage, your next step is to log in. You can find the login option conveniently located in the top right-hand corner of the page. Click that and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your Cloudways account. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your Cloudways dashboard. The dashboard is your control center for all things hosting. It's designed to be intuitive but also powerful, giving you a bird's eye view of your servers and applications. Now we want to zoom in on your servers, so go ahead and click on My Servers. This will present you with a list of all the servers you currently have at your disposal. Once you've navigated to the My Servers section, you're going to see the Servers tab. Click on it to reveal more detailed server options. The servers page is where the real magic happens, as it's here that you can manage existing servers or add new ones, optimize settings, monitor traffic and more. Now let's talk about adding a new server. This is crucial if you're starting fresh or scaling up your current setup. Look for the Add Server button. Click on it and this action will initiate a seamless process to get your new server up and running. You'll have options to choose from various cloud providers and configurations. This gives you the flexibility to select the best fit for your specific needs, whether you're focused on performance, cost efficiency, or a balance of both. And just like that, within these few steps you've set up your Cloudways hosting, which greatly enhances your website's page speed. This streamlined process ensures that you're better equipped to handle increasing traffic and deliver consistent, top-notch experiences to your visitors. That's all for today's quick setup tutorial. We hope this guide has made it easier for you to navigate Cloudways hosting and leverage its capabilities for improved website performance. Be sure to explore all the features that Cloudways offers to continue optimizing and scaling your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.